I'm not sure what language it was. I'm assuming that it was Hawaiian, and that is a dead language.
It's not an alive language. It's a dead language.
They said the language is dead, they call it a ghost. The language thrives, just call me a host. Olelo is flowing straight down through the coast. Hawaiian immersion, we put up a toast. 2024. It's not like you hope. You colonizer with history rewrote. You racist, Holly, you been diagnosed. We spitting some facts for you and your bros. I need to give you a lesson. I need a example of discrimination. I need to give you a lesson. I need a Hawaiian revitalization. Play I'm not American, Mika SB. Amika Scanlon, go flock of our Mona, go flock of the Aina, flock of the ocean and off of Honua. Oh, we gonna show ya. I need a tolerance. I need to give you a lesson. What does kai mean? Like Hokai, saying racism, discrimination. I've come to the point where I wanna thank you. Headlining the language across all the news. Now we got the community preaching facts. Olelo Hawaii is back on the map. I'll take you to school. All 42 of the immersion schools will educate you. Language is the fiber of identity. I need to give you a lesson. I need a example of discrimination. I need to give you a lesson. I need a Hawaiian revitalization.
From Florida has lived in Hawaii for 10 years and works for Hawaii Republican Action, an alternative news site. She doubled down on her comments.
So then I went and I looked and I Googled and it said it was a dead language. And I was like, oh, it must be Hawaiian.
But you know that Hawaiian is not a dead language.
They're trying to revive it.
How can you say a language is dead when there are 20,000 speakers in the state, according to UH Manoa?
How many people speak Latin?
Ikaakamai says she feels sorry for Lauren.